The number of coronavirus cases in Maryland increased by more than 800 Saturday. There are now more than 77,000 confirmed cases. Nearly 450 people are in the hospital and 137 are in intensive care units. The Centers for Disease Control now says more than 157,000 Americans could die from the coronavirus by August 8th. The CDC predicts some states in the coming weeks will record higher numbers of deaths. The states include Arizona, Florida, Oklahoma, and Texas. There's no end to the pain caused by America's coronavirus crisis. 85 babies in one Texas county, all under the age of 1, have tested positive for the virus. At least one has died. Infections keep rising in several states, so do deaths. Danya Bacchus reports for WJZ with the latest.
Today, after a week of record infections, Florida's death toll from the coronavirus hit 5,000. The state's hardest hit areas now toughening restrictions.
We've certainly reached a point of stability.
Governor Ron DeSantis hopes the worst is over, saying COVID-related emergency room visits are down.
July 7th was the peak of these ED visits for COVID-like illnesses at about 2,500 folks statewide. Yesterday, we had less than 1,000. So I think that's a good sign. I think we have seen admissions slow.
At least 2 states hit new single-day records Saturday. Arizona reported more than 130 deaths. North Carolina, more than 2,300 new cases. The White House's coronavirus task force put 18 states in what it's calling the red zone, recommending those places require masks, according to a task force document obtained by CBS News but not made public.
I was definitely not welcome to stay with my mask on.
In California, where COVID cases are surging, one restaurant is making it clear masks are not required.
I was very rudely greeted. He asked me if I had seen the sign.
Corporations nationwide are cracking down, requiring face coverings for entry.
If you choose not to wear a mask when you go out, you're delaying our reopening further.
San Francisco's mayor issuing that warning after California's governor put the city on a watch list because of its rise in cases.
Many students across California will not return to the classroom. Governor Newsom unveiled a new plan requiring schools meet specific guidelines for a safe reopening. Danya Bacchus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has authorized COVID-19 pool testing. The move will allow multiple people to be tested at once. The agency announced an emergency use authorization for Quest Diagnostics on Saturday. The company can test up to 4 individuals at once for coronavirus. The FDA commissioner said sample pooling is an important step that helps get COVID-19 tests to more Americans more quickly while preserving testing supplies. This is the first COVID-19 diagnostic test in the United States to be authorized for use with pooled samples.